This is a song for someone special. This is my song for you. Beautiful memory of this special moment. The years will pass through. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
And I pray God to dynamic and eminent leader Sri M. Shanmugam CP IRTCA sir. On the eve of your 80th happy birthday wishes and many more happy returns of the day, ever with good health, wealth and happiness till the world exists. Lovely Kovi Aranganathan, JGS IRTSA, long live IRTSA, long live CP.